Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel. Today I like to share with you more of my Easter and spring cards. So let's get started. So here I like to share with you the newest Easter and spring easy 3D toppers. I picked 4 for you. And let's start with the spring flowers. So each of these bags have 10 designs in 3 layers. So they're step by step, they're die cut, and these have glitter paint on it. So this is the type of glitter that does not come off. And let's check. So here they are, these beautiful bouquets. Let's see how big they are. So yeah, almost 4¼ inch. And we have all these different designs in here of spring flowers. So some pansies, bluebells, blue pansies. I wish I had those in my yard. They're beautiful. More bluebells, roses, and more roses. And more of those bluebells. And here we have a crocus and a daffodil and more tulips. So here is my sample card, and I used these beautiful pansies. Now this year I made it my goal to use up some of my many hundreds if not thousands of scraps, and this always comes together if you just layer some strips. And then I used some of my glitter borders to finish it off, but the glitter on the flowers, they're already on there, and I layered them up. So there are 3 steps. I thought that was very pretty. So these are the spring flowers. Then we have Easter chickens, and look how super cute they are. Adorable here with the umbrella made out of an Easter egg. So these are the Easter chicks. Here they are. Then we have Easter baskets, and these, let me show you, they have these speckled eggs, so they're nature-like, also with glitter. Again, there are 10 embellishments in each bag, and I made a card with one of the 10 embellishments, and this is in blue, and I think that looks so cute. I just added a little Easter bunny. I bought these last year at Michael's, and then layered some paper, some ribbon, and here the embellishment does it all. And then also what is new are these spring flower wreaths. Now let's check those out. Take a closer look because they're also great for Easter. So here we have one with a lantern and a candle. Also a rose wreath with a candle. Then we have one with cute little chicks. Here's an Easter bunny, birdies in a birdhouse, more chickens, birds, blue eggs, that's gorgeous, daffodils, and more roses, and there's a little Easter chick. And I made a card with the Easter bunny sitting right there in this beautiful flowered wreath. Layered it up. Yeah, these cards come together very quickly. You add those 2 layers. Well, you have that one base and then 2 layers. And that's it. I added a butterfly from my stash and one of these doilies from my stash, and there you go. So these are the new Easter and spring 3D embellishments, easy 3D toppers from Holland. So I like to show you a couple of sticker sheets that I have for Easter, and this is in silver and in gold. As you can see, it says Happy Easter, and it comes in 2 different sizes, so the smaller ones and also just a little bit bigger. And they're so handy when you make Easter cards or tags. There are even a few Easter eggs down here and a couple of butterflies that you can add to your cards. So these are by Styrofoam. Also, I wanted to show you those pop dots. These are the foam adhesives that you put in between the layers. And as you can see, I have different sizes. And as a card maker, you probably know that sometimes it comes handy if you have more than one size. So these are a little bigger ones. They're 1/2 inch in square, and each pack has 2 sheets in it. Now, of course, you could cut these down too. There's no question about that. But you know, sometimes it's great if you have already small pieces. So they're all pre-cut, 2 sheets, and you can see how small they are. They're basically 0.12 inch, and the next size up is then 0.2 inches. They're all 3 millimeters thick. So you can just see the different versions of foam pads available. And then I also wanted to show you, I just ran into this company. This is called Illustrated Faith, and this one here is the Seeds of Faith, and they make these 6x8 paper pads. So let's take a look, because I thought that was pretty unique. First of all, you have normally 6x6 or 8x8. These are 6x8, and they have really cute designs. First of all, so we have some birdies, and it is cardstock, and the back of the cardstock is colored. So now see here we have the red hearts, and the back is in red. We have cute little bird houses, and it has this greenish seafoam paper in the back. What I like about these particular pads, and I can just show you a few of these designs in here, is that you can make cards out of them. So let's see, here they come again. We have butterflies, we even have home decor. You are my place of quiet retreat, and I will wait for your word to renew me. That's a psalm. And then we have like a meadow, flowers. So again, what I like is that you can just fold them in half and you have a card. You have a perfect card, and all you need to do is find an envelope. So you can use them, of course, as background paper, but you can also use them for cards. So in each pack you have 12 designs, 2 each, so for a total of 24. And again, they are not 6x6, they are 6x8. So now I want to finish it with our 3D die cut sheets. Now these 2 sheets I introduced to you in one of my earlier videos, but I didn't have a chance to make cards, and they came out so cute, so I wanted to share those with you. So these are the butterflies and flowers in purple and more like an orange. But I also wanted to show you the Springtastic sheet, because that is so fresh and young. I like these illustrations. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? So all these sheets always come in 3 toppers in several layers that you layer up with these foam pads that we have just seen a minute ago. So let me show you what I did. So each of these sheets make at least 3 cards, and here are the cards that I made with this particular sheet. So here we have this beautiful rose with the butterflies, and just a little bit of background paper, a greeting, and you are done. And if you don't want them laying so high like I did, because there are 1, 2, So, 4 or 5 layers. You don't have to. So you can layer as high as you want and maybe use the remaining embellishments for the inside of your card or your envelope. Then I even made an Easter card with this one. So as you can see, this is this part down here. And didn't it turn out so beautiful? These petals look so real with that cute little butterfly, and I just added some stickles and then a little Easter bunny, which is a die. And here is another Easter card. And then the last one is this one up here. I also made into an Easter card, and as I mentioned, I'm trying to use some of my scraps. So here I used not one background paper, but all kinds of different ones and used them on one card. It's always great then when you do this type of technique to finish it off with these border stickers. And here I actually also used scraps that I had left because nothing goes to waste in my craft room. Okay, so here are the 3D die cut sheets. They are by Find It, and you will find all the links in the box below. So thank you for watching my video today. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the box below. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, so that you won't miss any future videos. And also please join us on our European Papercrafts Friends Facebook group. There you can see what other crafters have created, also upload your own projects, and I always love to see what you guys create. So I like to see your Easter and spring cards, but it could be any other craft project as well. So thanks again for spending time with me today, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!